Welcome. If you want to input battery to your Xiaomi Mi Bluetooth Thermo second version, at the first you have to grab your device and then we have to rotate it like that, and we have to take it off. We can use our nail, so make something like that, then move it on the right side, keep pushing with your nail all around, and the last edge, and as you can see we take it off, and here we can input the battery. So let's put it like that. Here is the battery. Let's focus on this one. Okay, it's not going to catch the focus, so never mind. Just put it like that and then just press, and as you can see it jumps, right, and the thermo is turned on. And after that we have to put this back cover like that. So push it, and as you can see it sticks in a very edge, and the thermo is working. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!